Hey guys, what's up? It's that time of year again to winterize your lawn and put your mowers in the shed and not think about your grass until spring. So this is how I winterize my lawn.
No, I'm not crying. You're crying.
Okay, we'll get right into it. Winterizing the lawn is always like sad, right? It's like the last thing you do of the year. How I winterize my lawn. First step, get all the leaves off your lawn. You don't want leaves to be underneath the snow on top of your grass blade. It's going to cause a big problem for you in the spring. Fungus, mold, a lot of problems. Number two, get your mower as low as you feel comfortable. Get it down there, mow it. Get your grass blades low. That way they have a better chance in the spring to stand up rather than folding over, causing mold, fungus. Get that air going to the soil. You're going to be better off in the spring. Get it low. Your final application of the year should be something that you have. Maybe it's your last bag of fertilizer, whatever you have left in the shed. If you have something specific, use that. I like to stick with something low in numbers, NPK numbers, and then with an iron. That way it stays green. It's still going dormant, but as you can see, my grass never went brown, never went yellow. It stayed green. Along with the last application, I like to do a fungicide. That way it gets rid of any fungus that's left over from the rainy fall, and then going into spring, you're going to have a better success rate for your grass. Last application, Scott's Disease X, or you could go a different kind of fungicide as well. Good pro tip.
If you guys ever need fertilizer, I've got a lot of it, close to 80 tons.
Other good things to remember, change the oil in your mowers. Fill them up with non-E. You should be using non-E all year round. Non-E with maybe a little bit of seafoam, a stabilizer for your winter. Sharpen your mower blades now or through the winter. It's a nice project through the winter when you got downtime. That way they're sharp for you first mow of the spring. Get your shed all organized. Pull your snow blowers out. Get those ready. Get them fired up. Get them ready for the first snow. Make sure your lawn is just ready for winter because I'm up here in the Pacific Northwest. We never know when we're going to get our first snow. Could be tomorrow. Could be a week from now. Just get it ready. You never know.
It's science.
Of course, the green came in pretty good this year. I just want to get a head start for spring, so I'm going to be attacking that in the spring, overseeding it with bent grass, making sure the bent grass does not leave the putting area. I might even make it bigger.
3 times bigger than this.
That turned out really well. Super excited about that. But this year was a success. It was thank you for following me along. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, DM me, comment below. Happy to answer any questions you got. Don't be too sad. It is winterizing your lawn, but winter will go by just as fast as summer did, and we'll be right back at it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the lawn, or I'll see you on another time.